press is one of the best exercises to build your lower body, but you need to know how various foot positions target the different muscles of your legs. Number 1. Low foot position. This is a great way to emphasize your quads in the leg press. When you place your feet lower on the pad, there is a higher degree of knee bend, wherein your hamstrings are almost touching your calves in the bottom position. This is what leads to the maximum quad activation. Next, high foot position. This is the best way to target your glutes in the leg press. When you place the feet higher on the pad, you'll notice that the degree of hip bend is more than the knee bend in the bottom position, which results in the most tension being placed on the glutes instead of the quads. Lastly, wide foot position. This can be a great way to bias your adductors in the movement. A wider foot stance with the toes pointing outwards allows you to easily go deeper in the end range of motion. This is where the adductors are the most active out of all the other muscles. Give these a try and you'll feel the difference right away.